Hello everyone. Decided to sit here and stop on top of this bridge. Anyhow, one of my subscribers is a dude that happens to live in the same area I do. He's on a Ninja 500, it looks like. Pretty cool. So I was watching, he just got his camera a little over a month ago and started doing some vlogs, so it was kind of cool watching all his stuff. It's kind of cool to recognize all the streets. It's like every street he was on, I knew exactly where he's at. I'm like, that's cool. So anyhow, let's see, his YouTube channel, he's Dexy. And watching one of his vlogs last night, he was recommending one of the best places for a drive-thru. One of the best places for lunch. And apparently they cater to motorcycle drive-thrus. So I am hungry. I'm going to go grab some lunch at this place Dexy has recommended. Alright, I'm starving. I cannot believe it is supposed to be... Whoops. I cannot get on from over here. Whoops. It's going to be like 82, 83 degrees today, and we're supposed to get a 40% chance of snow tomorrow. If not, it'll definitely be cold and rainy tomorrow. Okay, so nice day for motorcycle riding. I'm hungry. Okay, let's see, what do we got here? Nothing on the menu. Alright, there we go. Let's see, what do we have? Yeah, I'd like a roast beef sandwich, curly fries, and a chocolate shake. Hello? Oh, I had my visor down, they couldn't hear me. Yeah, roast beef, curly fries, and a large shake, chocolate shake. Hello? Son of a bitch, they can't hear me. Roast beef sandwich, curly fries, and a chocolate shake. Hello? Boy, I tell you, the lazy kids working at these places don't bother doing their job right. I'm gonna have to go up and yell at them. Yeah. Okay, proceed to next window. Alright. Yeah, hello? Well, hello, come on. Come on, a roast beef, curly fries, and a chocolate shake. Wait a minute. What? Son of a bitch, the place is closed. God damn it. Oh, I get it. I get it. Dexy tells me how great this place is, so I drive all the way over here and look like an idiot. He's probably hiding over in the trees, somebody watching, laughing at me. So, fuck. April Fool's joke. Son of a bitch, I fell for that one. Okay, Dexy. Nice joke. You got me. Good one. Ha ha ha. Alright, time for a little payback. Good joke, you got me. Now everybody knows your cell number, so you're going to be getting all these calls for some wet butt sex. Payback. Later.